To sort the markets by the price on Binance. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to sort the markets by the price in easy fast way. So first thing we do is we go to Binance app, and as you can see this is the home page. Now these are the markets. As you can see, BNB, Bitcoin, Ethereum, SLP, GMT, Solana. Now if you want to sort markets by the price, you have just to click on hot here and click on price right here, and now as you can see it will sort all the markets by the price, and the Bitcoin is the first, and we have YFI. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.